Welcome to my junior year apartment. Hi guys, it's Michaela Lizak. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing a college room tour in my new college apartment. I also have somebody helping me film. Say hi to Anthony.
Hey guys!
He's a freshman at USC and he actually has his own YouTube channel. So be sure to go and subscribe to Anthony. But make sure you're subscribed to me first. Okay? And then go to Anthony. Subscribe, and be like, oh, like, here from Michaela's channel. I'm so excited to show you guys literally everything. Y'all were there with me on move-in day when I was decorating, putting furniture together. Well, my dad was putting furniture together and just setting up everything, and I feel like it all came together perfectly. So without further ado, let's get into the room tour. Remember, if you want anything that I show in this video, I have an Amazon storefront linked in the description where you can shop everything. I am putting all of this stuff in like its own folder if you like anything from this video. Okay, come on in. When you first walk into my room, this is what it looks like. It's very bright. We have 2 windows lighting up the whole entire space. So let's go in detail with everything that I got for my room this year. So right when you walk in the door, you'll be met with my desk. This is my chair that I have for my desk. This is not the chair that came with the actual apartment. This is just from West Elm. This pillow is also from West Elm as well. It actually goes really well with this pillow over here. It like matches the green, but it's also the same shape and design. So then we have my Mac computer. This is what I use mostly for watching TV and shows and stuff, or YouTube, kind of like a small TV. This is always on whenever I'm getting ready. I have my vanity mirror set up right here. This is from Amazon. I also have this phone stand. This is really just like all the tech over here. This phone stand is from Amazon. I don't think I linked this, so I'm gonna link that in my storefront too. So then I have my makeup display right here. I have my setting sprays, my blushes, all of that stuff. I also have a headphone stand right over here. This stand is from West Elm, and these are just Apple headphones. This drawer is the only like storage that comes with the desk. I have all my makeup and stuff in here. This is like my mascara section. I also have like some brows. And then this is like lip stuff. So lip liners, glosses, that's all in there, easy to reach. That is everything for the desk section of my room. Moving on to the mini fridge corner of my room, which is kind of my favorite part of my room. I don't know, I just really love the top section. I have my jewelry display right here. This I keep in my room at home, but I brought it here. I have a acrylic tray. This is from Amazon. I got like a whole set of them with all my like everyday scents. A lot of them are Marc Jacobs. This is actually my signature everyday scent, the Daisy Wild by Marc Jacobs. I literally wear this every day. And then I also have my Louis Vuitton perfume Attrape Rêve, which means dream catcher in French. And I got this as like a college present when I got into USC. So I have this. And then right here I have a sunglasses stand. This sunglasses stand is from Amazon. And then I have this like wicker natural bordered mirror. I don't know the technical name, but I did find it at Home Goods. And you know, when you're at Home Goods, you gotta really hunt around. There's a lot of stuff. And I really love it because it fits in with all the other elements in my room. And I know it kind of seems extra to like have a mirror here and then another mirror here. But if I'm putting on my jewelry, like I can see it here, you know, I don't have to like move over there. And plus, if I have friends over, I'm gonna have like a whole bunch of friends coming for game days, stuff like that. They can just use this mirror if they're getting ready, use this as a little makeshift desk while I'm over there. And it's for all the girls, you know? This up here is my disco plant. If you're an OG, you remember it was in my sophomore year dorm, and she's made a comeback. She's a recurring character. I got this like mini fridge furniture piece from Amazon. I did get a top shelf for it, but I never ended up using it. It was just too much, too big. But I do like this just by itself. So moving on, this is the mini fridge station. So maybe we should talk about the mini fridge. This is my Visani mini fridge, and I really love the fact that I have my own separate food storage, like aside from my roommates, because if I have like extra drinks or things like that, like I love having my special little drinks. I don't want to take up all the room in the communal fridge. So this first like area of the mini fridge is a freezer. And then down here, we have a fully stocked fridge. I actually linked all of my favorite drinks on my Amazon storefront if you like want to stock your own mini fridge and see like what I use. I have some Celsius right here. I have all of my protein drinks. I also have some Fiji water bottles. And then I have some poppies down in here. I also have some kombucha and applesauce. I do really like these. I don't know why. I think these are for 4-year-olds. Also, this mini fridge is from Home Depot. Right here, I have some acrylic shelves. These are from Home Goods, and this is such like an awkward little space. I didn't know what to put in here. I stacked these up, and I have all of my products inside, which is very nice. I also have some more storage in like these bins. This is random stuff, like some cords, and then this basket is makeup. And this I'm pulling out every day because it's foundation and all of my makeup brushes. So it's just nice to have some extra storage space because that didn't really come with the room. Underneath the desk, I also have a trash can. This is from West Elm. So this next area is the big moment. Remember in my move-in vlog where I was like, how do you say big moment in French? This is the pièce de résistance. My bad. Which I love. My bed this year is all West Elm. I really went out on the West Elm, okay? Because I wanted my vibe for my junior year apartment to feel very mature. Like, I'm growing up, I'm living off campus, like I am in an apartment. I wanted it to feel more grounded, and I feel like the natural textures in here and also the color palette really, I don't know, it embodies that, and I feel like I did my big one. Okay, this bed was really kind of like the branching off point for all the other elements in the room. This sheet set is from West Elm, and it's like this natural like kind of oat. It's not white, it's just like, I don't know, it's kind of an off-white, which I really like. So this blanket is a BRB blanket, and yeah, it's a $200 blanket. I'm not telling you to go get a $200 blanket, okay? This is no ordinary blanket. It is a weighted blanket. This thing is heavy. I've never had a weighted blanket, but I hear a lot of people say it's really, really nice for when you sleep. If you are somebody who likes to invest in sleep, then the $200 price tag might seem reasonable for you. I also have a mattress topper on underneath this. That was also kind of expensive, but it is investing in my sleep, which I honestly need. When you're in college, you barely get any sleep, and so when you do get sleep, you want it to be good. So next area of the bed, I have my sheets. This sheet set, it's like, look at how pretty that is. It's ruffled on the edge. This is the Road collection from West Elm. I really like that detail. And I also have some matching pillowcases with that too. This is a set of 3 from the West Elm Road collection. I really like these. It very much fits the vibe. Like, even though they're all different patterns, I feel like they still all go together really well. And the collection is kind of about that. Above my bed, I have a cloud neon sign. This is from Amazon. I also have some posters. They're kind of moving because of the AC, but they're just taped onto the wall. This one I had last year in my sophomore year dorm. And I also have this poster. This is from Amazon, and this one is also from Amazon. Over here we have another one of my favorite corners. I guess every corner is kind of my favorite. But y'all saw me decorate this situation, and I love it. I love my purse display. And like glasses, like just this grid in general. This was collecting dust in my like room back at home in my closet. I never knew what to do with it, but I wanted to emulate something kind of like my sophomore year dorm where I hung my purses on the wall with like command hooks. So I got this grid, and it actually comes with like these little hook things. And so I thought, oh, I could like hang my purses, or I could hang my keys on the grid. It's really nice. And I also strung some fairy lights around here. Right down here, we have some more stuff. I have this like side table, and I found this at Home Goods. It was a great find. There was only one of these, so right as I saw it, I put it on hold because it has the like natural element that goes along with the rest of my room. But it's also like a cylinder, which I wanted. I didn't want a square side table. Most side tables are just squares. I also have a plant that I found at Home Goods. I just put that right on top, but I'll usually have like my lip gloss, like my LED remote right here, my phone before I go to bed. It's just nice to have something right there. Then I also have my laundry basket. This is from West Elm, and there's a top for it so you can cover up all your smelly gym clothes. Then I have a shelf section, and it's exposed. There's no like door for it. I'll show you what's on each shelf. So the very top shelf are all of my hats. It's great for whenever I'm going somewhere and my hair is not done, I just throw on a hat and head out the door. I also have this basket, and this is all of my hair care products. Hair brushes, oils, sprays, mousses, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, literally everything. Curly hair people, you know, you need the essentials. This basket is from West Elm. This basket is also from West Elm, and it has just my towels. I have some bedding in there too, like second bedding if I ever need to change my sheets. And then I also have this acrylic tray. It's from Amazon, and it houses some of my perfumes. These are more of like special occasion perfumes. So this next crate is actually one that I brought from Move-In. If you remember my packing vlog, I put a whole bunch of like hair care and body care and just like everything in here. But I actually just saved it for all my bath, like body lotions. There's some Tide in there, like cleaning wipes, stuff like that. So I have that bin, and the yellow goes with a lot of the other yellow accents in my room. So I feel like the crate works even though it's exposed. And then I just have some skincare at the very bottom. Right in here, this is my first closet door, and I have all of my jackets. I have a jersey, hoodies, stuff like that. I have jeans and pants, and then all of my shoes are down there. My second one, I have a little hanger that I got from Amazon, and it holds up all my purses. This has fallen a lot. It's just like stuck up there with the command hooks. I also have these crates here too, holding all my basic tops, and then this is my everyday backpack. Down here, I have more clothes. Lastly, we have the last storage area, and this is like all utilities. So I have my air purifier. I have this vacuum, ring light, some tools. This is all my camera and filming equipment stored in this crate. And then I just have like some random stuff like tape, thumbtacks. Lastly, down here, I have some rugs. I got this runner rug that goes all the way to my bed area. It's from Home Goods. And then this tiger rug is from Amazon, which you saw in my packing vlog. Comment down below what I should name the tiger. I want to know your names. That is the end of this video. I absolutely love this space. Every year I feel like I level up and upgrade, and this is definitely an upgrade from sophomore year, even though I have fond memories of the pink and red and white room at the Village. But we're off campus now, we're adulting, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me every single step of the way. So be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any more episodes of the College Diaries series. If you made it till the end of this video, comment. What should I comment?
Duo.
Duo?
Yeah, we're an iconic duo.
Okay, comment duo so I know you stayed till the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!